Good morning, sunshine. So today is Thursday, and I'm just getting ready for work. It's almost 6 a.m., but I'm gonna do some yoga for now. First thing, I really like yoga with bird. If you're one that cannot be on your like doing a lot of downward dogs or stuff on your hand, your arms, because I have an injury in my elbow and my shoulder, so it's hard for me to keep doing stuff that I have to do on my hands. So she always do a lot of seated stuff, so that's even better for me. But I do like to work with her. I think yoga with Adrienne is a little bit more advanced for me because she's always on her hands, so this works best for me. If you have injury in your arms and stuff, this is one of the people that is really good. So I have my don't mind my fat, but I have my old faithful here. She's always going to be in the way, if anything. But we're going to go start the yoga right now. Alrighty guys, that was like a 10-minute yoga practice, and it was for like stiff bodies. A little goes a long way as long as you get up and do something. And my body used to be more flexible, but after I got hurt, the pain, I don't know, I just stopped doing yoga. But I gotta get back on that train, and since I'm gonna be off for the rest of the week, well, I'll be off this whole weekend and gotta go work on Tuesday, and then yeah, so I'll be trying to do yoga for this whole week. But yeah, this is part of my morning routine, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for work. Look at my Pooh Bear. So don't mind my fat, but I'm just doing my, yes ma'am, I'm just doing my vibration plate just for the circulation and stuff. Look, every time I lay on the floor, she's so needy. My fur child is needy. Hi Nevaeh, how you doing today? Yeah. So I'm doing 10 minutes of this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for work after that. So I feel like this vibration plate is pretty good. So the vibration plate is pretty good, and I just got it for circulation in my leg and to try and help with the swelling in my leg, my knee. So my leg is swollen on one side, and I need to get that, I need to address it and start doing something about it because it's been swollen for a long time. My doctor is like, oh, just put ice pack. But I haven't put ice pack. I don't do it. So I gotta start to take care of myself better than I've been. But yeah, that's part of my morning routine. Alrighty gang, so I get ready for work, and I gotta go put gas at Sam's before I head out. So that's what I'm gonna do. In 5 minutes I'm gonna go to Sam's. So gas here unleaded is $4.49. So it's pretty, I'm at Sam's, so it's pretty reasonable here. So I came to Morning Brew. I'm gonna go grab some coffee before I head to work. These are kind of in Alrighty, I'm back with this being my tripod. But this one here is like $6. It's a medium. So I don't know how the small would be. A little bit smaller. It's like the size of my hand. But I just got a regular latte with no sugary flavors inside. Yep, that's it. But I just needed another cup of coffee. I don't know what's going on with my camera. It looks kind of like a dreamy setting, yeah, but I think it's just dirty or something. But anyways, I'm headed to work. So this morning brew is in Kailua. I don't know the shopping center and stuff, so okay. Alrighty guys, so I'm back home from work, and there was a little farmer's market at Kailua. I don't know if the shopping center or whatever, but I got some vegetables, and it was like $3 a bag, so that was really cheap. And I got some eggplant as well. So I got these vegetables. I want to cook some of the eggplant with the tomato and onion with my pork real quick, and then I'll catch you guys in a minute. So I just got the eggplant, onion, and tomato in there. I poured some water in there, and then I already made the pork last night, so I'm just gonna add it in after this vegetables cook. So it's just right for me. I do add some fish sauce with this, and then we're gonna go ahead and pour some in there. Alrighty guys, this is what I got going on for my dinner today. I'm not gonna eat rice with it. I'm just gonna eat it like this. And it's so good. Alrighty gang, so it is the next morning. I just was so tired yesterday. I finally have a day off. So I'm gonna end this video here. It was just bits and pieces of my day yesterday. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hype the video if you can. It's free, and it just takes one swipe and one press. Like the video, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video.